So today I've decided to declutter my desk setup. Sometimes it gets overwhelming. You realize you ate something, you left the bowl, you left the plate, you did something, you picked something from the drawer, you left it back. So as you can see, this is me on a typical day. So I'm going to be changing a couple of stuff here, and then I'll be recommending some new gadgets that I got to enhance my productivity as well. So do want to subscribe. If you're in a relationship with somebody you like agency for the past, do not. I just hope nobody punches me in the face. Flowers, maybe I'll keep it. My phone holder, I'll keep it. The rest are more of the laptop and stuff. I'll keep it. My mouse, this is my Batmobile mouse. I've been using it for like 2 years. It's still in good shape, as you can see. Well, for me, I keep gadgets very well. When it comes to tech gadgets, I keep them very, very well. Use a marker pen. I use 2 dongles. If you use Macbook, you realize they don't give you a lot of options for USB and USB-C ports and cables. So I use 2 dongles, one for HDMI and then extra USB, and then one specifically for memory cards and SD cards. So when I go to shoot, edit, and I come back, I just insert it, then I'm good to go. And I use 2 because you never know. As for Mac, at any point in time, it will stop working and you have to. I personally don't want to be found wanting, so I use 2. What else? My keys. Something I'm just straight away. My pet's ID card. My external drive, this is 3 terabytes. I've been using it for like 3 years now. It's still in shape. That's what I use for all my backups. I had 2, I gave one out and then something happened. So this is my personal one. I'm sure I'll get another one. Specifically for business. Okay, so pull it out here. So BCG receipt. Capes food. Kelly's band, matches. I'm wondering how I go here. My traveling toothbrush. Oh my goodness. Some shades. Scattered everywhere. I've been using this monitor too for like 3 years now. It's called Terra. I had never heard of the brand before, but it's about 34-35 inches if I'm not mistaken, and it's very, very good, very, very quality. And I've been using it for like the last 3 years. I've not had any problems with it. It's able to give me all the angles that I want, all the sizes, everything. I mean, it's doable. It's doable. Gets the job done. And I get I don't get 4K, but I get 1080p resolution, which is like close to 4K. So I get the best, and then when I'm exporting or rendering, I do it in the highest 4K. So that's how come when I put on YouTube or anywhere, it comes out quality. But I love this guy. I'll keep him. Earrings, I don't know who they are for. 20 pesos. If you want, hit me up and come get it. HDMI, yeah, HDMI too. I have about 2 or 3. One for the PS, one for my monitor, and then one spare one in my gadget bag. Because once again, you never know. You'll be working all of a sudden fine. I don't want that. So now that we have decluttered everywhere, my mom has links in EcoBank, so she got me these beautiful calendars, tabletop calendars. So let's clean up and see what's up. Solution, I'll just make sure I get all the corners, all the debris. So I'm doing it. Alright. solution. We also use this opportunity to disinfect all the germs that followed me from Ouija.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. So stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build